Hello moneymakers. This faceless AI-made YouTube channel is making $7,000 a month. They are making videos on emotional and social stories on YouTube. They've got 3,000 subscribers and it was just started a month ago.
What?
Yes, just a month ago. Still not impressed with this niche? Check out this one named Hopecore. They've reached 73,000 subscribers in just 3 months and have made well over $30,000 per month. My only job is to share new niche by researching on the topic for you and for free. So in this video, I have a breakdown of how to find topics, create script and edit them as well. You can take this opportunity seriously, as there are very less competition on this niche. The longer you take, there will be less change of you to succeed on this niche. So without wasting more of time, grab some coffee and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding story ideas. Now, the question is, how can we come up with these kinds of amazing story ideas? Here's what you need to do. Copy the links of both channels and open ChatGPT. Then ask ChatGPT, I want to create a channel similar to these ones. And paste both links. And then add, could you help me write a story? This way, ChatGPT will get a sense of the type of content you're aiming for. Alright, in the next step, you need to gather some popular topics in Google Docs or any other place. Open both channels and, one by one, copy video titles that are interesting and have received lots of views. Then, copy all the topics and go back to ChatGPT. Paste them there and enter this prompt. I want to cover these types of topics on my channel. Could you please provide me with 20 new similar topics for my channel? And there you go. ChatGPT provides 20 new topics, exactly as I wanted. These topics are perfect for your videos. Moreover, you can also make some adjustments to these topics and add your own ideas. Since many creators might be using this method, so there's a chance that your content could be seen as repetitive. So, I suggest to make minor changes to the topics to create a unique story. Do you know this could be the last time you see my videos? Yes, that's right. If you have not subscribed to my channel, there is a high possibility that YouTube will not suggest my videos on your homepage. Now it's your decision. Let's get back to the video. Alright, for now, let's choose one of these topics. I'll go with, racist neighbor calls cops on black doctor, but the tables turn when he sees who arrives. So let's copy this topic and paste it here. Now enter this prompt. Could you please provide a complete story from the narrator's perspective? Make sure the story feels real and natural, written in simple language without complex words. The story should be emotional and filled with genuine feelings. And there you go. ChatGPT provides a perfect story that we can use as is. It has a great intro and an engaging storyline. But if you want a longer story, you can ask ChatGPT to expand it. For this tutorial, I'll stick with the original story. This way, you can create multiple stories using ChatGPT. Additionally, you can find stories on Google, Reddit, or Pinterest, which is also a great source for this type of content. Here you will get multiple stories which you can use. So, these are some ways to find content ideas for your channel. And remember, you don't have to stick to just one method every time. Once your channel is up and running, keep an eye on other channels, stay updated on current trends, and adjust your content style and storytelling methods based on audience preferences. This way, you'll be able to grow along with the changing times.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Alright, once we have a script, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generating visuals prompts. Now, we need to generate multiple images that align with our story and make it even more engaging. To create these images, we'll need well-crafted prompts, which can be challenging because not everyone is an expert in writing prompts. But don't worry, we have AI to help us. Go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Alright buddy, now let's play a game. I'll give you each paragraph of the story one by one, and you need to provide 3 image prompts for each paragraph. Now copy one paragraph from the story and paste it. ChatGPT will then provide 3 image prompts for that part of the story. Now, copy the second paragraph and paste it. Continue this process until you've received prompts for every paragraph. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Generating images. For this, I'll show you 2 free tools you can use. The first one is Glyph App AI. In this tool, you'll get a daily amount of free credits to use. Sign into your account. Click on the Build option from the dashboard. After that, paste the prompt and choose the generation model. I'll go with Flux Pro. Then select a 16:9 ratio and hit Run. And that's it. Your image is ready. Download it to your computer. Now let's move on to the second tool, Leonardo AI. You might be familiar with this tool. Open Leonardo and click on Get Started. From the dashboard, click on Image Generation. Choose Phoenix from the preset style options, paste the prompt, select a 16:9 ratio, and hit Generate. You'll get 4 images to choose from. This tool provides 150 free daily tokens for you to use. Each time you generate an image, it uses 24 credits, so it might not be enough if you plan to create a video daily. To work around this, you can use multiple tools to generate different images and then combine them in your video. For long-term use, I suggest investing in a paid tool for image generation, as it will produce higher quality content. However, if you're using ChatGPT+, you can generate images directly within ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT to create the images, and remember to maintain a consistent look for Dr. Marcus Brown across all images. This way, people will feel more connected with your video. So these are the methods to generate images for your story. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Generating voiceover. If you're confident and have a good microphone, you can record your own voice for the video. Otherwise, go to 11 Labs and sign into your account. You can find a link in the description. Sign into your account, and you'll get 10,000 free characters to use, which is enough for 2 videos. After that, you'll need to purchase their paid plan. If you're on a paid plan, there's no risk to your channel's monetization with AI voice. Now, go to the voice library, select the voice that fits best, and add it to your voice lab. Paste the script and hit Generate.
Let me tell you a story about Dr. Marcus Brown, a man of kindness, dedication, and strength. Marcus had spent years building his career as a respected doctor.
Perfect, let's download this. Alright, now that we have all the materials, let's move on to the final step. Step 5. Editing. For this, I'll use CapCut's free desktop app. Open CapCut and import all the images. First, drag the voiceover into the timeline. Then, one by one, drag each image into the timeline according to the story. Ensure the images and voiceover are synchronized. Next, go to Transitions and add transitions between all the images. You can choose options like Light, Mix Dissolve, and others. Try different ones to see what works best. Finally, click on Text and generate auto captions for your video. Then, go to the Text Template section and select a template. Choose one that is bold and professional, avoiding anything too funky, as it wouldn't suit this type of video. After that, you can also try adding some effects to see if they enhance the video. Finally, I'll add background music to make the video more engaging. Make sure to lower the volume of the background music so it doesn't overpower the original voice. You can also increase the volume of the voiceover track if needed. And that's it, everyone. Your video is ready. Click on Export and download the video to your computer. So this is how you can create story videos using just a few AI tools. Easy, right? Just keep posting consistently, and YouTube will work its magic by promoting your videos. Alright? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content ideas. Now, let's take a look at the video we created.
Let me tell you a story about Dr. Marcus Brown, a man of kindness, dedication, and strength. Marcus had spent years building his career as a respected doctor. He worked tirelessly to care for his patients, often going above and beyond because, for him, medicine wasn't just a job, it was a calling. But there was something else about Marcus's journey that made it even more challenging. He was one of the few Black doctors in his community, and unfortunately, not everyone in his neighborhood saw him for who he truly was. It was a beautiful Saturday morning when Marcus finally had a day off. He decided to work on his garden, trimming bushes, planting flowers, and adding a few colorful decorations. He loved his home and took pride in keeping it neat and welcoming. To him, it was more than just a house. It was a space he'd worked hard for, a space he loved. Across the street lived a man named Mr. Thompson. Now, Mr. Thompson wasn't exactly the friendliest neighbor. He often glared at Marcus, muttering under his breath whenever they crossed paths. Marcus, ever polite, still greeted him with a nod each time. He believed kindness could change minds, but little did he know what would unfold that day. As Marcus trimmed a bush by his driveway, he noticed Mr. Thompson staring, a scowl deepening on his face.